Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the topic integration. So here we have the example for area and volume. Sketch the graph of y equals to negative x plus 8 and y is equals to negative 4x plus 12. Find the points of intersection between the graph. So now I'm going to find the points of intersection between the graph. So here we have y equals to negative x squared plus 8. Y is equals to negative 4x plus 12. Kindly substitute the situation. Rearrange the situation. Then factor the situation. So where x is equals to 2. When x equals to 2, y is equals to 4. So the intersection point between the graph would be 2, 4. Next, I'm going to sketch the graph for the quadratic, where we have y is equals to negative x squared plus 8. So kindly compare the situation with x minus h bracket square is equals to 4p bracket y minus k. So we will have x square equals to 8 minus y. So we will have x minus 0 bracket square is equals to negative bracket y minus 8. So from here, we notice that we have vertices hk. So vertices will be 0 and 8. For the value for p equals to negative 1, so p is equals to negative 1 over 4. So where p is less than 0. So the situation for this graph will be open, up and downward, where the p must be greater than 0, p less than 0. So for this case, the graph is open downwards. So the vertices will be 0, 8. So 2, 4, 6 and 8. So the graph will be vertices 0, 8. And then we have p, which is equals to negative 104, meaning that the graph will open downwards. Next, we are going to sketch the graph for y is equals to negative 4x plus 12. So as we all know, we have the points of intersection at 2, 4. So where here will be the location. Let's say here is 2. And then here we have 4. So kindly refers to the graph. Y is equals to negative 4x plus 12. Let the value when x is equals to 0, y will be equals to 12. So the coordinate will be 0, 12. When y is equals to 0, x will be equals to 3. So where we have the location 3, 0. So kindly sketch the graph. So we have 8 over here, 10 and then 12. Now kindly name the graph. Y is equals to negative 4x plus 12. And we have another curve. Y is equals to 8 minus x squared. So the points of intersection is 2, 4. And the x-intercept will be 3, 0. And for the y-intercept, we have 12. So now we already sketched the graph. So now find the area bounded by the two graphs and the y-axis. So the situation will be here. So where we have 4, 8, and 12. Find the area bounded by the two graphs and the y-axis. So here, our formula will be integrate from 0 to 2. So in order to write the formula, kindly refers to the situation. Here we have the longest and the shortest path. So the longest come first, meaning that we have negative 4x plus 12 minus the shortest, where we have 8 minus x squared with respect to x. So that will be the area. Simplify the situation. So where we will have x squared minus 4x plus 4 with respect to x. So where we will have x cubed over 3 minus 2x squared plus 4x for the limit to 0. Substitute the situation. We will have 8 over 3 minus 2 bracket multiple with 4 plus 8 minus, if we substitute 0, we will obtain 0. So at the end, the area is 8 over 3 unit square. Next, we are going to find the volume generated when the region bounded is resolved 180 degrees above the x-axis. So meaning that in order to find the volume, the formula will be pi over 2. Integrate, we have y sub 1 square minus y sub 2 square with respect to x. So for this case, v is equals to pi over 2 integrate. The longest one will be the straight line, meaning that negative 4x plus 12 square minus the shortest one, where we have the curve 8 minus x square, square the situation with respect to x, and the limit will be 0 until 2. So kindly expand the situation. So where we will have pi over 2 integrate negative 4x plus 12 square minus bracket 64 minus 16x square plus x to the power 4 with respect to x. If we integrate the situation, and we will have negative 4x plus 12 bracket power 3 over 3 multiple with negative 4 minus 64x plus 16x to the power of 3 over 3 minus x to the power of 5 over 5 with the limits 2 and 0. Next, substitute the value negative 1456 over 15 plus 144. So at the end, the volume would be 352 pi over 15 unit cube. So here we are, and thanks for watching.